Let us solve this beautiful question which says x plus 1 by x is equals to 3. And with just this one equation, we need to find the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. So let's start solving this problem by doing squaring on both sides to the given equation, which is x plus 1 by x is equals to 3. So by squaring on both sides, we get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x into 1 by x is equals to 3 square, which is 9. This gives x square plus 1 by x square is equals to x and x get cancelled. 9 minus 2, which is 7. As we need power 4, let's square this equation another time, which is x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equals to 7 square. From this we get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 times x square into 1 by x square is equals to 49. This gives x raised to the power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equals to 49 minus 2, which is 47, the required answer. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.